Hey guys, this is Doug will Fix It, back with the E46 2003 BMW 3 Series convertible. Simple issue today, and I'm guessing it's pretty common because I faced it a couple of days ago. I decided to change the wiper blades, and I put a brand new full, not the whole arm, but the actual, all of this is new. And what I found is that the actual wipers were not sitting correctly for some reason, and were leaving like a big patch in the middle of the screen. Just really annoying from a driver perspective, really distracting as well. And I couldn't figure out why, and I was like, they must be the wrong wipers, right? But you know, I got a set of Bosch ones as well, same issue, same, just being they're not sitting correctly on the screen, so leaving a big patch in the center of the windscreen, which is really annoying. And then I did some research, and I read somewhere there's a clip on this arm that you need to remove. And so I thought, all right, what clip is that? And it's basically this piece of plastic. So if you look, it's actually stopping the wires from going any further back. So that results in the other end of it not sitting correctly against the windscreen, which is a bit of a pain. So we need to kind of remove this. So let me see if I can actually dig this out. There you go. So I got that out. There it is. This little clip, and then that basically allows the wiper to sit a bit better. So now there's no obstruction for the wiper to flex properly and actually kind of fit flush against the screen. And when I've tested it now, it works. Actually, let's quickly try it. Let's get set. So to test the wipers, I'm just gonna. And you can see now it's leaving, before it was actually leaving a big patch right here, right along this line here, like quite a big square. But now with that clip removed, the wipers sit a lot more flush and they're super quiet, which is brilliant as well. But anyway, that was a little tip there. You kind of need to remove this clip from the wiper arm to let those type of wipers sit more flushly on the screen. And that should be it really. But that took me basically going through two sets of wipers to figure out that I need to remove this clip. So if I don't know that, imagine how many other people out there don't know that as well. So let me just turn the radio off. So just remember that this kind of clip, if your wipers are not sitting right on the E46, there's this kind of clip that you need to remove from the wiper arm to give it the wiper a bit more leeway and allow it to be a bit more flexible against the screen. Thanks for watching. Sub the channel, like the video, and catch me in the next one. Peace out.